Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the problem which is that when you try to upload a video on dailymotion, it gets stuck on uploading or optimizing 7% or optimizing 12%. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Azam Antanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that I have uploaded the same video 2 times on dailymotion. You can see that the first video which I uploaded, which is the same one which I uploaded later, was on October 12, 2025. Today is November 1. Still that video is not uploaded. So what I did, as today is number 1, I uploaded that video again, and you can see that this time also it is not uploading. It is stuck on optimizing 7%. So viewers, to fix this problem, what you have to do is first of all delete both of these videos. You can see that I have deleted both of these videos. Now what you have to do is transfer the same video to your PC. In my case, you can see that this is that video which is how to fix smartphone mic not working problem. I will play it. You can see that this is that video. Now I will upload this video again on dailymotion using the PC. You will see that this video will not be uploaded. Viewers, you can see that the video is uploading on dailymotion. Now after uploading, it will show optimizing text and it will go to 12%, and then it will again come back to 7% and it will be stuck on it. Viewers, to fix this problem, what you have to do is go to Google and search there DaVinci Resolve. Then scroll down. Then you will see hyperlink will be https://www.blackmagicdesign.com. In my case, it is DaVinci Resolve download. I will click on it. The hypertext might be not the same in your case. Then you have to scroll down and you will see start your download here text. What you have to do here is fill these fields and also select your country and state. And then what you have to do, you can see at the bottom the buttons are there. First one is download for Mac OS X, second one is download for Windows, third one is download for Linux, and the fourth one is to open download for iPad. As I'm using Windows, so I have already downloaded it for Windows. So you have to download it. After that, what I will do is click on Windows search box and then type there DaVinci Resolve. Then I will click on DaVinci Resolve application. You can see it is opening. Then I will click on the new project button and then I will name the project fix for smartphone microphone not working problem. Then I will click on the create button. Then in the bottom you have to click on the cut icon and then you will see no clips in media pool text at the top. Then you have to drag a video which you transferred to your PC and drop it in the no clips in media pool text. As I dragged and dropped the video there, now it says change project frame rate. The selected clips have a different frame rate to the project. Would you like to change your timeline frame rate to match? You can't undo this section. So what I will do is click on change button. You have to do the same. Then what you have to do, the video which you drop in the no clips in media pool, you have to simply drag it and then drop it in the timeline. Then viewers, in the bottom you have to click on rocket icon which is of deliver. Then make sure that you are on the custom export. Then what you have to do is type the file name. So I will name the file as fix smartphone microphone not working problem. Then click on the browse button as this file name matches the file name which is already in the downloads. So what I will do is add DIY at the end of this file name. Then I will click on the save button. After that, make sure that the render is single clip and export video is of format not QuickTime but MP4. Okay, you have to select it MP4 and codec must be H.264. Then the quality must be restrict to 8000 KB per second. So you can see here's the quality. What I will do is click here and then I will set it as 8000 KB per second. Then what you have to do is click on audio and make sure that the codec is in AAC, and then what you have to do is click on the add to render queue button. Now viewers, the video is added in the render queue. You can see here. Now what you have to do is click on the render all button which is at the bottom right side in render queue. Now you can see that the rendering is in progress. Viewers, if I go to Dailymotion again, you can see that the video which I uploaded using my PC is still stuck on optimizing 7%. Now I will wait so the rendering is completed. Now you can see that the rendering is completed. I can show you also that this is that video. Now I will upload this video on Dailymotion. First of all, I will delete this video from Dailymotion. I will click on these three vertical dots, then click on delete, and then a pop-up will appear. Then I will click on yes button. Now viewers, that video is deleted. I will upload now that video which I rendered using the Dailymotion, and now you can see the upload has started. I will simply click on the next and save button. Now you will see that video will be uploaded successfully. It will not stuck on optimizing. Viewers, you can see that the video is uploaded successfully. Now I will add description tags and set the thumbnail for this video.
Viewers, hope so you liked my this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe or click on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.